Hello viewers, welcome to all of you in our video. In this video you will see different types of bathroom designs for your new home. You will get different types of new and modern bathroom design in this video. You can decorate your own bathroom by watching these types of bathroom design. That's why this video is very important for you. And you can screenshot or download these designs of the bathroom that you will like to most in this video on your mobile or on your desktop. This video shows some modern and trendy bathroom design in the world that you can make your own. Modern bathrooms are now loved by everyone. Many people want their own bathroom to be very beautiful and modern. In this video, you can have the some modern bathroom. You will find the design and very nice interior design of some bathroom pictures and designs here. Thank you. Keep watching.
Something spooky.